Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2000 Yamaha YZF-R1. This bike's got a little over 18,100 miles on it and is in excellent condition. It has been tipped over on the left, which I'll show you when we go around. Otherwise, got a few nice highlights on it. Show you those too, and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This R1, like I said, is overall fairly clean. It does have a little damage on the left side, but it's got an excellent front tire on it. Front end's in great shape, along with the right side of the bike. Tank, no dents, no scratches. Comes with a tank pad. It also has a color matched rear fender. The tail section has been trimmed off. It's got an excellent back tire on it as well. So this is the side it's had a little damage on. We've got a scrape right here. Scrape here. Scrape on the engine cover. And on the edge of both blinkers. But everything is pretty cosmetic. Doesn't affect the performance of it whatsoever. That's very minimal. Show you some miles here now. 18,276 is what's on it. This R1 will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other bikes, will come with a lifetime discount on parts, labor, and accessories for as long as you own this bike from us. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.